So by trending data, you'll be able to see patterns develop. And you might see a pattern of jams on a sorter as an example. And jams on a sorter are downtime, which we know is very expensive. When you take a look, we've seen sites where a sorter can stop as much as 15 times in an hour, which means almost half of that hour is actually spent in a downtime state. So you're incurring all the downtime costs. If there's visibility within the organization of that kind of downtime and those kind of repetitive issues, then we would be more likely to go address root cause. So we're currently engaged with customers gathering real data from the sites, applying machine learning algorithms so that we can build models to help give you back insights around asset performance, utilization, and productivity in the system. Early on in our data gathering, we're seeing some exciting trends. We're seeing that when you rebuild a sorter, you see 4 times less factor of vibration. You're seeing 7 amps less amp draw from that sorter. Those are all things that are going to bring quick ROI to a connected solution.